Tell me what you see in me.
Never saw myself in August, thought I was the baddest bitch. Took me out of them nightclubs, life transition to the studio. Laid down a couple vocals, made history, which you don't know now, ho.
Hey guys, I'm back with another weekly vlog. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. With this up and coming week, I'm going to be doing something different. As you guys know, I usually do my weekly vlogs from home, you know, me going shopping and things like that. But I'm going to be over the road this up and coming week. I'm really excited. I love being over the road with my boyfriend. It'll be a lot of fun though. So I'm just going to take you guys along with us, like how we you know, check the trailer and do all the trucking stuff. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Right now we are in Jackson. We're about to go to Starbucks. It's Starbucks. It's just gonna be a good day. So we're about to go ahead and get some Starbucks, and then we're going to go by Walmart and get some stuff for the truck, and then we're gonna head out because we have like, I think we probably got like 6 more hours to go. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know what kind of Starbucks I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get to Starbucks. Okay.
Please.
We're out of the crunch. Is that okay?
Do y'all got any other kind of crunch?
No.
Well, yeah, that's cool then. Can I get the pump of that? And...
Wait. Praline?
Yeah.
Yeah, chestnut praline, yeah.
Yeah, can I get some of that? And can I get
how many pumps? I'm sorry.
one? That'll be fine. And can I get 2 pumps of white mocha chocolate?
All right, your total is $22.14.
Thank you. Ain't yours like mine? Mm-hmm. But you giving it to me first? Thank you. How sweet are you? Who you texting? Who you texting?
Vlog your shit.
I am.
I know.
I am vlogging my shit. Oh, we gotta drink it like a vlog. So, what is this called so you can let them know? You gotta talk loud, they can hear you.
You can tell them. It's a caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino.
Caramel, what?
Ribbon crunch.
Ribbon crunch.
Frappuccino.
Frappuccino.
Blonde espresso.
With blonde espresso.
White mocha pump.
White mocha pump. Oh, you got a lot of stuff in there. I ain't hear all that.
Praline syrup.
Praline syrup. That's what I'm talking about. And heavy cream. Let me try it, because he probably ain't get all that. I ain't got it on there. Here's the list. We are currently passing over the bridge to a new state. What state we going to? What state we going to? Oh, Louisiana. Oh man, I didn't know. I had to be sure. Okay, a pit stop. You have to use the restroom? I need to get some water for my water bottle. He was everything. I needed that. My coach feels so much better. Show his back.
To my old friend Chad, to my sound, to my man.
It's so cold. Need some coffee. I gotta find some sugar. So freaking cold. It's like 20 something degrees. Like what the hell? I had to put my boyfriend jacket on because you know I be naked and stuff. Come get my coffee first. Now you can get your stuff. I want your stuff. That's why I'm getting my own stuff. Thank you. Where are you getting those crackers? I want these. Them crackers be nasty. They taste dry. I'm eating them too.
No, but you just said you get your own, I get mine.
I had to get some Doritos. Better be healthy. What kind of chips is this?
You ain't finna corrupt me. I lost me a couple pounds.
I know, baby. That's good.
Yeah.
I told him to give me the receipt. He get the bucket. We're supposed to push the bucket. My man pushed my bucket, so you know.
Two Chipotle Ranch grilled chicken burrito. Okay. You guys don't have the Verde one anymore, do you?
Yes, you do.
All right. And that's the one. The Verde one is the one with the rice, right?
You just only got nachos?
I got the one burrito.
I haven't ate all day, so I'm about to eat this burrito. And we better get all this stuff in the truck and get stuff situated. And then I'm probably gonna sit out tomorrow. And then I might see y'all when I put the stuff in the truck. I don't even know. It's ridiculous. Look at all this. Oh my God. I gotta get all this stuff situated. I don't even know where to start. Getting so much stuff in here. Like, girl. All of this stuff. Ready to be buying a whole thing of toothbrushes. He loves them damn toothbrushes. Well, that good. Keep your mouth clean. Lord. Oh, I can put this in my little... Where is my bag? Okay. Girl. End up getting... The lighting in here so bad. I'm so sorry, y'all. Wait a minute. Coffee cups. Period. Got a lot of snacks and stuff, like mostly like granola bars. They got fruits and stuff like that. Chips. I gotta make the bed up, so I gotta get all that together. And then he gonna put his stuff basically on the side door or whatever. And I gotta get that straightened out too, because I know I'm gonna be sitting up there in the front in the morning when we get ready to load and leave. I got my little light, y'all. But y'all, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow though. I gotta get everything situated, so I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Sure ain't even roll.
I'm saying this the worst shit that I ever drove. I thought Colorado, Wyoming was bad.
Hey y'all, so today is Tuesday. We haven't made it to our first stop yet because the weather has been horrible. Like, we had so much snow out here. Truck drivers parked out on side the highway roads, and then the dang on truck stops full. Like, it's been real out here. So we got like probably like 3 more hours to our first stop. But y'all, we didn't even know that it was gonna be doing all this snowing and stuff like that. The damn highway is like a slick ice thing, like for real. There's been so many wrecks and everything, but yeah, really trying to make it. We're trying to hold in the road, so I guess I'll see y'all when we get to our first stop.
I get into a house with a Jeep, bro. That nigga.
Alright, you guys, so we made it to our first destination. We made it through all of the bad weather. It looks so much better out here. He's about to get ready to set up for his turn. I guess you're the only truck here, huh?
See the dock down off of there.
Oh, you gotta go out up in there. You gotta get it lined up right in there. Pretty tight. Alrighty, time for the backup. Woo! It be shaky, y'all. I be about to fall over. He's checking to make sure he don't hit anything. Making sure his parking is correct. Now you guys, we're getting some fuel because we need some. Almost out of gas, and then we're going over across the street to the Loves to shower and get some food. So yeah, now he's cleaning the windshield because it's really dirty from all the dang stuff that we had going on when we was in Texas. So getting that good old clean from outside, cause girl, I need to see too, you know. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all whenever we get over across the street. You doing a blind side? Blind side. Got it in there straight, perfect.
Did you walk this little strip?
Yeah, give me a little exercise. A little small exercise. God, they gonna go all the way over there. Oh no, we go in right there, right? No.
All right. And can I get an extra set of towels? I'll get them back there.
Yeah.
First shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 3.
This a different. He's taking a shower. I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff. Girl, I'm ready to eat. I know that. I'm about to get me a double cheeseburger. Ooh, y'all feel so much better. But how you feel?
Great. Great.
I'm ready to go eat me some food. Ooh. Wait, how long are we staying in here? You ain't kept your car?
We're gonna no rush this time. Can I substitute the regular bun for like the total?
I'm hungry. I got a number 2 double cheeseburger fries and an Oreo blast. And you got a what? And he got a bacon cheeseburger. Let me try the burger. That was good. I ate all my burgers. Usually I don't eat all my burger, but I just told her I'm still hungry. I found something. You just ate a double cheeseburger. Go ahead and give me somewhere to eat.
Put a dime on your head.
A dime? Baby, please. I'm not gonna get my own food then. Shit. You guys, we made it back to the truck. We heard somebody say I've been robbed. I'm like, what? Let's go. But I said, hey, yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. This shit hot.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Guys, today is Wednesday. We're in here getting some coffee and something to eat. Dang, how much of stuff you gonna put in there? Yeah, our appointment is at 1 o'clock. We like literally 3 minutes down the street from where we gotta unload and stuff at. So that's good. It's only like, what time is it? Like 10 something? Yeah, where we're picking the stuff up at anyways. It's only 10 something, so we just got here taking a shower. Now, yeah. Alrighty, you guys, we're at the second stop. It was literally like 3 minutes down from the Loves that we was at this morning. Hopefully it's not a lot of people out here so we can get in and get out. Ain't that right, babe? That's right. 2 people getting loaded and we got 4 people in front of us. Really, our appointment is at 1 though, but we tried to get there. I guess babe just ready to come on down, so. It's a pretty Jeep. It's real nice. But ain't nobody recording you. He think I'm recording his fat ass. He think I'm recording him.
up with it, and then open your door, move your tandems back in, chalk the wheels on your truck. Now, if you choose to leave it running, don't sit in the driver's seat.
Opening the doors. It's cold out here. Damn, they sit back. Okay. Which pickles do I want? I'm gonna get a sour pickle. It's kind of small. Wait, we gotta get a bigger pickle. Oh yeah, thanks.
I just recently started getting the wraps very like the bell peppers, onions, and salt and pepper and all that in there.
Cheese? Yeah, a lot of them. A lot of frankers. Yeah, I know. I usually do that. Here's what has sour cream. Huh? Let's go ahead and finish.
Flatbed, he creeping up on me. I just passed him, but he was going too slow. That bitch, and then look, that bitch ain't no man to kill. This motherfucker.
Finally made it to our destination. Yeah, we gotta go to where, but in the morning, Dallas, and then it's snowy out there. So hopefully we make it safe and sound. Hopefully we make it safe and sound. But I gotta go to the restroom. Then come back in here, lay down, and go to sleep. Y'all pray for me. Hopefully I don't fall in here because it is slippery. How slippery it is out here. And then I gotta walk all the way up that way. He almost slipped and fell already.
Shut your goddamn ass down.
Sorry, they go real for me to like the Sonic bitch. Sleep off my phone with all that start. Well, we made it safer to our next stop. But your jacket messed up. And then he got it in the first try. He ain't had to pull out, bag in. Got it in the first try. That's what I'm talking about. Give him a try. You gonna take me somewhere good today?
Yeah, I'm taking somewhere good to eat today. No Subway and shit for you today.
Oh, thank you.
You been halfway nice.
To the wrong shower, y'all. We're through. No. Now this is more like it. This is up to my stand. But how you like?
You was already using motherfucker.
I haven't been using them. What was I using?
I said you had already was gonna use.
Oh, here we go.
Why? was just gonna say, but
Ooh, they like open your pores. I'm just waiting on him to get finished taking a shower. I'm about to get me some Arby's. He wanted to get him a salad. He want to eat healthy. Yeah, I'm gonna get me a, what am I gonna get? A chicken supreme sandwich. I'm gonna get two chicken supreme sandwich and some fries. What else they got? They got like shakes and stuff. Give me a shake too. Shut up! Don't be telling them that. A little bit of this on my face because this weather is like so cold. And mind you, I have really like oily skin. So out here it makes my skin look so dry. And I'm just standing on my face. That's real. But my skin will be looking so unput together. You want them to swipe it again? Guys, pink starting to look really good on me, huh? Anyways, I got some Arby's, got some curly fries, and I got the classic chicken sandwich. I already took a bite of it. I did a little video for Snapchat, y'all. Go and get a bite, babe. Get a small bite, bro. You get one out.
Get one of your bites.
You gonna go over there and give me some? Dude, I don't even want no more. Alright, guys, we just made it to our last stop of the night. We made it safely. I'm about to go make me some coffee, and then I'm about to go lay it down for tonight. But you want some coffee?
No, I don't want no coffee.
Okay, but he don't want. I'm just drinking coffee by myself. But yeah, and then this truck in front of us smoky. Babe, you go help, cause you always when you want to go help. But you don't want to help him. If it was,
ain't nothing I can do for my boy.
I'm nervous. Anyway, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. This is the truck y'all was telling y'all about. He's smoking, and I don't know why Bae don't want to get in and help, cause he always want to go help somebody, but you don't want to sit here and help this man. They just low down right there. It's the next morning. We just got finished getting what, loaded or unloaded? Unloaded. So we about to get ready to go to our next destination. And he told me it's right down the road. Now I asked him again. He want to say that it ain't down the road. So which one is it? You be lying. You just be lying. We starting off with the one I was wrong a little bit. Now you. These windows so dirty. So we're getting the windows clean. About to go in here and brush our teeth. Go to our next stop, and then we're gonna come back and take a shower. So that's what we're doing now. Everybody clean their windows. So this is our next stop, you guys, that we made it to. Really dead out here. I don't even like this place, but hopefully we can get in and get out. He's in there getting all the information that he needs. But yeah, I'm just ready to go back and get a shower and find me something good to eat. Speak of the devil, there he goes, coming on out with all his little paperwork. Oh no, he got him a drink. Where he get that drink from? He always drinking something. So you guys, we're here at Road Ranger to take a shower. This is real big, humongous like lot where a lot of trucks can park and stuff at. But usually everybody don't even come here. They usually go to Love's, but this one here is way more expensive than Love's, like with the shower situation, stuff like that. Then I have a Wendy's, and I got tacos and stuff. So this is where we're taking our shower at today. But this is the shower. What you say?
That's why we laughing and shooting a joke.
We're eating Wendy's. So we ain't gonna take nothing wrong. Don't run out. Look, man, look at all that ice. There's some lot of ice. A hop of love. So ready to eat. I'm eating the vlog today though, you guys, because today is Friday.
Eating so I can see you eat.
You always do it.
No, I'm just saying.
Why you always flip it around on me?
I can do shit, but when I do this about.
I'm finna pass you some water. Yeah.
Nobody sure don't put none back in the motherfucker.
Okay, you ain't gotta keep reminding me.
Yeah, I guess I got to. Get them 2 bars out the floor, though.
Hey. Some good food. I'm about to get ready to end the vlog. It's been long overdue. I know if you guys like this video and I get like a good amount of views, I'm gonna do another in-depth video. But before we get back on the road, we're gonna do a pre-trip. So we have to check the truck and then I'm gonna end the vlog because I haven't did the pre-trip.
Ship your ass out there.
Alrighty.
Check your oil.
Everything looking good?
Yep. Check your coolant over there. Brake fluid right here. You got all that situated, all your wires and shit. Still good. Air hoses.
Nice.
You ready to ride?
Crank the truck up.
Let everything cycle.
Make sure everything's circulating correctly. Can't just crank it up though. You gotta hear that. Psh. There you go. Everything good?
Check your pin up under there. Make sure ain't nobody pull your pin while you're there taking a shower and shit. You know, check the tire.
Chat. Damn. You moving too fast.
Air leak.
Alrighty. They good?
Yep. We supposed to check our signal lights, but all our signal lights shit work. We ain't got time about it.
Okay.
Other side, time over thing.
Alright.
Supposed to have a little stick to do with it. I just punch it.
Yeah, all the little dumb
That
thing.
little fluid. It's all good. These new tires, so we good.
Brand new tires. No slick spots. Alrighty. Alright, we're about to unhook the trailer. We're about to get ready to go to the house. So it's time to unhook it. You're gonna make sure they're always to the ground, right?
Yep. Nice go on the truck.
And pull out.
You let the press the air brake.
So this is the end of the vlog, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, stay tuned for my next video. All depends on, you know, if this video goes as planned and as well, I will continue to do more videos like this. But yeah, this is the end. We're about to get ready to get all the stuff out of the truck, put it into the other truck, and it's time to go home. So see you guys in my next video.